Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make an egg wash. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to make an egg wash, it's really simple. There are actually two methods, and there's just a slight variation between both of the methods. So all that you need is an egg, and then you need some milk or some water, okay? It's very simple. I'm gonna tell you how to make the egg wash. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Then I'm gonna tell you what you can do with the egg wash to really enhance your baking and your cooking, okay? So you're gonna take your egg, you're gonna crack your egg, okay? Put it into the bowl. It doesn't matter if the yolk cracks because you're gonna be whisking it in just a moment anyways. So as you can see right there, we placed the egg in there. Now to make your egg wash, all that you need to add to this egg is a splash, just a touch of milk or water, and you're going to get different results. If you add milk, you're going to get a certain result. If you add water, you're going to get a different result. They will both enhance the dough that you are using to bake. However, one will give you like a golden crispy, and then the other one is going to give you a more of a brown or softer finish. So it's completely up to you. But do your research and figure which one is best for you. I'm going to show you how to make the egg wash though. I like to use milk. It gives me the best result. I don't measure it. I just literally like that's it. That's it. You just need a little bit of it, just a touch. And remember, you can always add more. So it's better to add too little and then add a splash more than to add too much. Then you're going to take a fork and you're just going to whisk it together. And what you've done now is you've created almost like a thinned out egg. So you've taken a regular egg, you're whisking it with a fork like this in a sort of circular motion, and you use the milk or the water to create just a slightly thinned out effect. So as you can see right here, once you see that it's slightly changed in its consistency, so you see right here, it's a lot thinner, right? It's not as thick as a regular whisked egg would be. It's a lot thinner. You can see I'm also turning the bowl with this hand slightly to really make sure that I'm whisking all of the pieces of the egg together, okay? What you're gonna do now is you're gonna take a brush and you're gonna use that brush, a baking brush, to brush it onto your dough, unbaked dough. When you brush that egg wash onto your unbaked dough and then you bake that dough, you just need a little bit, just a thin layer of the egg wash. It's gonna, like I said, enhance the flavor and enhance the look of that dough. If you've ever seen dough that comes out of the oven, you know, when someone's baking and it's got a nice golden brown color to it, they've likely used an egg wash of some sort. But that's it. That is essentially how to make an egg wash, a simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.